Hello everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to switch to driver mode on Lyft. First, open the Lyft app. If you're using it for the first time, tap Ready to Learn. Open the driver app at the bottom of the screen. Or go to lyft.com/driver in your web browser to download the Lyft driver app. You can also search for Lyft Driver in the App Store or Google Play Store. After downloading, open the Lyft Driver app. Enter your phone number to log in or sign up. Once inside, tap the steering wheel icon or go online to start driving and earning. To track your earnings and access settings, tap the menu icon at the top left. And that's it. You've now switched to driver mode on Lyft. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.